Well, a Wichita school athletic director is out of a job after an attack in a school building last August. A couple of weeks ago, we told you about David Clark's mission to get back to work after he suffered a severe concussion. Well, tonight we've learned he's been replaced. Our Nick Nelson has been following this story. He joins us live at West High School with the very latest information. Nick.
Yeah, Deb, we're here at Wichita West High School where, as you said, David Clark was injured in an altercation that happened back in August. Now, since then, Wichita Public Schools has been fairly tight-lipped about Clark's employment and whether or not his job had been posted or filled. However, we've obtained documents through the Kansas Open Records Act that show that Clark has, in fact, been replaced.
Since I'm not privy to email or anything, since I'm a non-active employee right now, I didn't find out about it until Sunday. So I got a copy of it Sunday and just kind of broke my heart.
Last August, Wichita West High athletic director David Clark was seriously injured as he tried to break up a fight that had erupted in the hall. This cell phone video shows him on the floor. He suffered a severe concussion. His injuries put him on medical leave, but he thought he could eventually return to his job. However, within the last few weeks, he's learned that that won't happen.
They said they could post my job. I didn't think they would. I've done a good job. And also, you know, I risked my health and safety to protect kids in our SROs. So again, I didn't think I was in any danger of losing my job for doing my job.
KAKE News obtained documents late last week, including the job posting for West High athletic director, as well as an email to West staff announcing Micah Womack as the new AD.
He's a upstanding young man. I believe he'll do a great job.
Clark says he's now focused on two things: getting a new job and raising awareness about violence among Wichita students.
Maybe the school board looks at school safety, particularly at our high schools and middle schools, that we need more policing. We need more 259 security officers. We don't have enough.
And we attempted to reach out to the district for comment on this story. We haven't heard back from them. They have told us in the past, however, that they can't comment directly on personnel issues. Reporting live, Nick Nelson, KAKE News on your side.